My name is Solomon the Wise. You may think of me as that evil wizard who died impaled on a water wheel, after I was pushed from the Tower of No Thank by that traitor. But no, that is as true as the Apollo landings, or that the Earth is round. Indeed, for the last few thousand years I've been living a quiet life, a typical suburban life, in a modest home in one of our great cities. In those thousands of years, I have had time to reflect upon the error of my ways, and have traveled my road to Damascus. In this series, I will explore my newfound love for nature. Welcome to Birds of Australia.